This is a metaphor to show you how everything is connected. It's also a clock. Similar metaphors include ripples of water, dominoes, and flapping butterfly wings. Now, see this guy here? His name's Mark, and last night was his office Christmas party.
Can I just... Do you mind if I call you Mum?
Mark's only mission right now is to put something delicious in his body, which in turn does him some good. And it does. But remember, everything is connected. You see, because he chose an innocent smoothie, and 10% of Innocent's profits go to charity, Mark has started a global chain of good! For example, in Peru, Ravelina receives a solar panel, which gives her electricity, which powers an electric spinner, which allows her to spin more wool, which she can sell at the market, which keeps them warm, and she can have more time at the end of the day to teach her kids a thing or two about football. But here's the thing. If you don't start with something good, well, then you get a chain of not good. Which means no solar panel, no yarn, and no clothes, which causes this man to scream, which scares an alpaca, who in turn causes further mayhem.
¿Por qué, Mark? ¿Por qué?
So remember, don't break the chain of good. Innocent Smoothies. Tastes good, does good. This film was made in partnership with Ravelina Tierra, her family, and Practical Action in Peru. Go to chainofgood.co.uk to see how you can get involved.